I'm very happy with English Cafe and my experience was too good. That's all from my side. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Shalini and I am a student of English Cafe. Today I am going to share my experience with English Cafe. First of all, I would like to say thank you to English Cafe and his team. My favorite trainer is Pooja ma'am and Mamta ma'am. And English Cafes, all teachers teach very well. They are very helpful. Before joining English Cafe, my confidence was very low. When I joined English Cafe, it is increased, so I feel happy. I'm nervous. I was nervous the first day, like how to speak English, how to interact with class. But after joining, I felt comfortable. English Cafe is very helpful for me. It really helps to improve my English, my vocabulary, and my way of talking. So, I'm very happy with English Cafe, and my experience was too good. That's all from my side. Thank you.